Hello students, in this video I am going to give the part 3 of the excretions of substances and its elimination. Reabsorption. The comparison of the volume of the filtrate formed per day, that is 180 liters, with that of the urine released is 1.5 liters. 180 liters of blood, it takes 1.5 liters of urine. 99% of filtrate has to be reabsorbed by the renal tubes, called reabsorption. This is second steps. Substances like glucose, amino acids, sodium plus and potassium plus are reabsorbed. Ions are active or passive method. Nitrogenous wastes are reabsorbed by passive transport. This type of the mechanism takes place in the second step. This is third steps. Secretion. During the urine formation, the tabular cells recreates a substitute like sodium, potassium and ammonia into filtrate. It helps in the maintenance of uric acid and base balance of the body fluid. PCT. It is a simple cuboidal brush border epithelium which increases the surface of area of reabsorption. 70 to 80% of electrolytes of water are reabsorbed by the segment to maintain the pH and ionic balance of the body fluid, called hydrogen ion secretion. HCO3 absorption like potassium and ammonia into filtrate. Henel's loop. Ascending limb reabsorption is minimum. It maintains the high osmolarity of medullary interstitial fluid. It is permeable to water and impermeable to electrolytes. Therefore, concentrated filtrate pass upward. DCT. Conditional reabsorption by sodium ion and water takes place here. It reabsorbs HCO3, hydrogen and potassium ions to maintain pH of the sodium and balanced in blood. Collecting duct extends from cortex of the kidney to the inner part of the medulla. Is reabsorbed water ion in large amount. Maintain pH and ionic balance of the body of the selective of hydrogen and potassium ions. These three steps are over to formation of the urine. Mechanism of concentration of filtrate. Henel's loop and vasa recta played a significant role to produce the concentrated urine. The flow of blood through two limbs, vasa recta, is counter current pattern. Proximity between the Henel's loop and vasa recta counter current help to maintain increasing osmolarity towards the inner medullary interstitium. 300 between cortex between 1200 by inner medulla. It caused NaC, sodium chloride and urea. Sodium chloride transferred to ascending limb of the Henel's loop, which extended with the descending limb. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.